Welcome. There are three questions we should ask ourselves before we proceed. And these are: what is AI? What is data? Why do we need this? Why do we need this course? Right. So we're going to look at what is artificial intelligence first. So this is whereby we give our machines the ability to think, right? We're giving intelligence to machines. And then when we look at data, what is data? This could be a collection of text, a collection of numbers, or even a collection of pictures, and so forth. This is what we mean when we look at data. The next question we have to answer is our why. Why do we want to learn this course, right? And this is pretty simple. How can we make these machines think? How can we insert that artificial intelligence? So today everything runs on data. That's why we need that data. But it's not useful if we don't analyze it. So without any analysis, it's just data, just that. But then when we take our artificial intelligence, we're introducing data, we're analyzing that data, and then we're enabling our machine to make decisions. And this is being used in different domains, such as recommendations for like your Netflix. We have the fraud detection for in our banking systems and all and so forth. In telecoms, they might have trend detection. And in energy industries, we might have energy usage predictions and so much more. These are just examples that I did give out. Then let's look at another question that we might have. Why do this in Python, right? So the reason we are going to be doing this in Python is because Python is easy to read and it is beginner friendly. And we find that it's used in a variety of applications. We use it in machine learning, artificial intelligence, data analysis, web application development, and automation, where we want to automate some processes. And okay, that's Python, that's our programming languages. So what do we mean when we talk about code? So when we talk about code, this is where we have a set of instructions. It's like a recipe that tells us we have step 1, step 2, step 3. And here, these are the instructions that make it possible for us to tell the machine what to do. So good luck in the course, and I hope this introduction was brief. We're going to get into detail in the following videos. So thank you.